Hey Kritika, how does it feel to be a part of Service Wali Bahu when now you are working Bahu yourself?
These two things are very different actually. Of course I am working and I am a Bahu as well now. But the situation here in the show is absolutely different from what I am in my real life. I am working out of my wish and of course the scenario is absolutely different. But yeah, I feel really elated, happy and I'm quite satisfied with the concept and so I'm pretty happy doing this show.
Well, has marriage changed you as a person and as a professional, and how?
No, I don't think so. I have changed at all.
Okay. You are once again associated with Z. So why did you take up a show on the same channel?
It's not that, you know, there's this show that comes across me and coincidentally again it's on Z only. So there was no conscious across and yes, the channel approached me for that and I really liked the subject so I did it. And also I'm very comfortable working with Z because my association with this channel has been from quite some time now. So when you work with people you know, you have your own comfort zone. So in that ways I'm very comfortable.
Okay. Kritika, we have seen that you always choose a character like the strong-headed woman, you know. So how satisfying is to be blessed with such character?
That is a conscious effort now. I would say I am. I look for roles where not necessarily I can preach my audience, but at least I can send a social message to all of them. So I keep that in mind. That you know I do.
You have an accent in the show, so was it easy to adapt the same?
Not very easy, but since I hail from a small city, Kanpur in UP, so it wasn't really very difficult for me. And luckily, the producer and the channel, they don't want me to talk like proper Biharis and you know proper language how they speak there. So I didn't really have to work very hard on that.
Okay, rapid fire. Are you the prankster on the set?
Not yet. I'm still trying to mingle with my co-actors.
Okay. Do you bully your co-star?
No.
Okay. What do you do on the set when there is free time?
I play games on my phone.
Who is the most active member on the set?
Who's the most
Active member on the set?
active member?
Yeah.
I am.
Okay. How often do you break into laugh the most?
I think all the time I'm laughing and that's one reason why all my co-actors are, you know, they are very amazed by the fact that I keep laughing all the time. So they ask me, "Kya khati ho jo itna hasti ho tum?" But I think that's the secret of a very healthy life. You just keep laughing and be happy.
Do you identify Payal in any way?
In little ways, yeah, but not completely.
Do you feel Indian television's outlook is changing?
Absolutely, yes, it is.
Message for your fans.
Okay, so I would want to thank them for loving me so much and being with me, whether they like it or they don't like it, but they try and support me all the time, being honest and they're very loyal. I can see that on Twitter and I could see how desperately they were waiting for my show to come. And I was also very excited to see their reaction. So I can only thank them. I mean, thank you very much.
Thank you so much and good luck.